Hello guys, this is Sharun here from 24/7 Techie, and we are over here with the Xperia Z5 Premium. So we were at the launch event, and as you can see we have the device in our hand. It is in grey color, and this is the side view of the phone, lock screen and the other keys. So the back is a mirror finish, looks really different. And this is the engraving that they have done this time, so it really looks good, the Xperia engraving inside their phone. So the design of the phone is same. This is the fingerprint sensor they have incorporated in the lock button. Nicely done. So as you can see, the display does looks really good, and it is running on Android 5.1.1. I guess we will have a look in a second. Let me clear all it. And so it is running on Android 5.1.1. the brightness is full. Let's have a look. So in about phones, and it is running on Android 5.1.1, as you can see over here. Not a lot of details provided. So in the apps, we'll have a look at how much of the RAM is free. So this was a demo unit, so we don't expect a lot of app, but still 1.5 gigs of RAM is free. And in the storage, it was a 32 gigs model and 20 gigs are available, because it does come with a lot of pre-installed apps like Modern Combat 5 and everything is supported, SD card, USB OTG and etc. with the memory point of view. And in the camera, it is a 23 megapixel camera, and it is said to be the fastest autofocus camera in the world, 0.03 seconds, and it does deliver. It took the pic was taken quite quickly. And if we try out the front camera, so as you can see, I am recording this video with my OnePlus 2, and it does looks really clear, and it's a very wide angle camera as well, so you can even see the ceiling of the building, and the pics turned out to be really good. This is the fingerprint sensor that they have incorporated, and now we will have a look at the Z5 Dual. So these all are dual SIM phones. These are the specs of the phones, and the phone is a 5.2-inch Full HD screen, and nothing else is different. It is a Snapdragon 810 powered phone, and I can say that and 3 gigs of RAM, and everything else is same. And this is the different color that it was available in. It's like gold color, I guess. Yes, these are the colors that it is available in. So as you can see, a lot of things are pre-installed. There's a little bit of lag in the UI. Hopefully it's a pre-production unit, that's why it's lagged. Hopefully it can be sorted out, but there was a little bit of lag. It was running on Android 5.1.1 out of the box, or on the demo I can tell you that. And it is exactly similar to the Z5 Premium, and the difference is only between the screen and the screen size. So its screen quality is for 4K HD and the 5.5 inch, so it's a 5.2 inch Full HD in the Z5 normal, and the engraving is also on this phone, and it's a really expensive phone as well. It's about for 52,990. It's a very expensive phone. And here's where you will get your dual SIM slot as well as with a micro SD card slot, and it is water and dust resistant as always for the Sony devices. So in the storage over here also we have about 20 gigs available, and in the apps we'll have a look how much RAM is there. So as you can see, there is a little bit of lag. 1.2 gigs is available, and there was not a lot of things in the background. and as you can see, it is the fastest autofocus that we are clicking the pic of. So 0.03, and it really did deliver. So as you can see, it is a very quick autofocus. The shutter speed was a little slow. In the front camera point of view, it's similar performance. So Z5 Premium and Z5, the camera and everything is same except for the display. So these are the samples of the photo that we have clicked and some more. And this is how the fingerprint, these guys are rubbing the fingerprint from the Z5 Premium back, mirror back. So you need to carry this cloth everywhere or do this. It's a little bit of hassle, and the volume buttons are actually down. So this is a new placement for the volume buttons, and this is the camera button as well. They've added a camera button, so nothing on the left, and the volume buttons and camera buttons are there. So these are the flip cases that it comes with. It is included inside the box, and these are available in two colors, the black and gold, and it did look okayish, and we'll try to fix one of it. I was actually first I did try, and it wasn't really very easy to fix them. So the Sony person did help me out, because I was also holding a camera in my hand. So as you can see, he did try to fix apply it, easily done. And I guess it wasn't working on this phone. I have no idea why we needed a setting or something, but it wasn't working on this. It was for a second, and then it wasn't. I did try, but I didn't had a lot of time with it. And as you can see, it's Xperia start here, but that was not of use. That was just for the demo. These are how the Xperia Z5 is made, different parts of the phone, and this all process will be explained to you by a Sony person.
So this one is the display part.
Yeah.
5.2 inches Full HD display. This one is the heating and the other processor part. Here we've got IP68 certification and the other jacks, audio jacks. Then we've got the micro SD slot here. Then we've got this one. This one has got the fastest camera and autofocus. Then we've got the SIM slots. Then we've got the micro SD slots. Then the battery part comes here. Then here, this one is the fingerprint sensor that we have. And then this one is the frosted glass back one.
So now over here they have kept the Z5 Premium, or the Z5, I guess it was Z5 Premium, on the display, and they've also put in a lot of lighting with these in the front. So it was actually a showing of the camera, and this Sony person will be showing you up.
Here is the 5x clear zoom, so you can see what happens usually is that your text is not readable. So even after zooming it 5 times, you can see it's absolutely clear. So that's the prowess of the Xperia Z5. Then we have another demonstration here for the fast moving objects. So even if you have a train, for instance, or anything which is moving fast, you can just capture it and so you can capture it, and you can see the image is absolutely still. Usually what happens is the image gets blurred. This is something that doesn't happen here. The picture is absolutely still and very clear and crisp. Another thing that we have is the autofocus speed. So if you have two different objects and your focus is continuously changing. So I have two objects here, a distant object and a far object. You can see that the focus is right now on the flower, but if I touch it, focus very quickly, within a fraction of a second changes to the other object. Now you see the background is blurred, and you can see the time it takes is very less. You don't even realize when it switches. So these are 3 very unique things about the Z5 camera.
This is how it was done, and I will show you the boot that they have set it up to show off the camera. So the lighting was good over here, not everywhere the lighting is good. So this is the size comparison between the Z5 and the Z5 Premium. Just a little bit of difference, as it's a 5.2 inch and a 5.5 inch displays. So thank you guys for watching this video. This was Shaun here from 24/7 Techie, showing you guys Z5 and the Z5 Premium. Please do subscribe to our channel, because we really need subscribers, and you can help us a lot through that red subscription button. Thank you very much guys. Hope to see you in my next video.